janacho akakisingula kandi akachebembera je mujire ntamina mpango mukamara hanga ntukusimira abantu bona bijaha kumkore ko bushaki wabo kandi ntukushaba ibarga byona bagarike yo makagabo ombusinje ntwenda kusima mukamara hanga president ogu na mnonga abasilamu banja kabahereza hija bazamaka kandi omwaka ogu abantu bingi kurwo muri yankore nubazagarika yo maka ntukweshengereza mukamara hanga umongero bwenge na namani emyaka yona bagarikeyo ebyona ntubushaba
mwebare excellence
ebiro byona amina
mwebare excellence amazina ganje mwine mpaka member wa parliament wa Mbarara City South kandi master of ceremony where is o kungati nakora nyenka nakora na Mr. Kachina na Honorable Chris Bakashaba when kantu arom chogo kushaba secretary general wa NRM kugira ekiyagamba
NRM oye! Mbarara oye! Museveni oye! Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, we welcome you to Mbarara District and Mbarara City. In this rally, you'll be addressing 2 administrative units. You'll be speaking to our members of Mbarara City so much for always interceding for us and keeping us closer to God than we are. May God keep blessing you. Our program is going to be as follows. Because of time, I'm going to be very strict to whoever is coming to speak so that we give time to the President to speak to us. We are going to have the chairpersons of NRM for Mbarara City and Mbarara District to just come and hand over their memorandum and maybe pick 1 or 2 points to raise on behalf of their people. Thereafter, I will invite the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker of Parliament to just come and say hello and invite the Regional Vice Chair of the party to invite the President to speak to us. But Mr. President, allow me to introduce a few, and indeed very few, leaders who are here. We have members of the Central Executive Committee. We have Honorable Asime Joanat, our Regional Vice Chairman for Western Uganda. We have Comrade Echodo Calvin, the Regional Vice Chairman for Eastern Uganda. We also have retired Lieutenant Moses Mushabe, the Chairperson of the Veterans League in the country. We have Honorable Arinaitwe Ragajara, the National Chairperson for Workers' League. We have Comrade Collins Tanga, the National Chairperson for the Young People. And then we have Honorable Professor Dr. Tanga Odoi, the Chairman, NRM Electoral Commission. And I also have the Deputy National Treasurer of the party, Honorable Jacqueline Chatuaire. Your Excellency, we have some ministers here. Allow me to introduce Honorable Minister Bride Ramirama, who is here with us. Thank you so much for coming. We have Honorable General David Muozi. Thank you so much for joining us. Next time I'll bring you a yellow shirt. I know you are used to uniform. We have the Vice Chairman, PLU, Comrade Toyota. Thank you for joining forces. The Pan-Africanists say many front but one struggle. We are all in this together. We have Ambassador Adonia Ayebare. Thank you for coming. We have General Abel Kandao, and my Lord Bishop Sheldon, with all the clergymen and women. Thank you for always putting us in God's hands. At times we forget that God is always in the midst of everything we do. But thank you so much. I also need to thank all the members of the party for this wonderful mobilization, all the volunteer groups, the business community headed by Mama Jovia Saleh. Thank you so much for the efforts you put to make sure this meeting is as it is. Mbarara is sending a statement to Uganda today. We love this and we thank you for coming in this big number and making this statement. Thank you so much. May I invite the party chairman in less than 2 minutes, introduce yourselves, pick one point, hand over the memo. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of Uganda, the Chairman NRM, Abanyambara, Bijaha, Kwachira, omu district yao. Amazina ganje, banyetatu hise Prosper Kuragire, owaterire nsumu, orukumutabarusya, ahabwo kusinga karuru ka district ya Mbarara. Abanyambara mwena nyenda stera kariko businguzi tukwakira president witu Omumbarara tugamba Museveni oye! Museveni oye! President na mama Abanyambara nibijuka kandi bakusima orutaro rwatandikire okiryo musigazi oriyambire abanyankore bakarga omukwangana omudini omunganda no mu kigombe okasitandikire ekigombe ekyokutigita ekya NRM nkoko kutureba twene yebare munonga Abanyambara nibakusima ahabwo oruguuto rwakozire rwa koransi urwabe rutakazaga omurya agati yankore rukutandikira amayirina rukazibanda town zitu zirigireyo bwizu bwererigireyo Rubindi town kansa kabe kari akaduka akuwarabire mubaka kwima icupa ya soda hati ne town konka nahabwo rugutoro mbwen tukishaba ngu omwirobu otkoro rundo ruguto ruturumantwijukiraho NRM na nobutegeki bwawe orukurugabe harwe bwizu bwera rukagumiza munsiga Abanyambara nibakusima abwo kutandika amashomero ga SEED na UPE konko muri Mbara kine myanya amagombora gatine SEED school ngwentu antukishaba omubwirobo oterezi amashomerago hata ntongera antukishaba wanobasa oyo school fees omashomerago bijukuru bawe abatine sente babase kushoma nabo bijuke ngo mbwira bwawe bakashoma abatine sente ntukishaba kandi twebaza abwo kutandika PDM mbwene myeterya okasingure ntaro nyingi ntwendo twaso mu rutaroru orutiremerire orwo bworo turtandike turengu twabingo bworo omakagitu no nemyeteje ne kwagira konko bworo bugiremireho ngwentandikishaba yongera mu sento PDM oyongera mu imhanda yona nangwa nemirimo abana bitu okuba kusima nko kuba barebaha bishukuru bawe bikirize kwagira no kwebaza akarura kito Mbaransanza kwebaza abibwe tkoriri muza kutwara bampa edakikisha tu nkezuba kwira waza bumerika wentinga gamba byingi konka itwaba district ya Mbara okathereza maka washorora konka tokizire kutureba twantwena ngo ije konko bwire bwarema mbwen tukushaba omubwire bwawe wanobasa ojoti ko muri Mbara district nari nabanda abantu bambara obaho wire tukutayayire otabure otuguidinge then tukore district kurunje munonga yebare munonga.
Thank you, Chairman. May we invite our chairman for the city to come and also in a brief minute summarize the city memo.
Your Excellency and Mama twakwakira mwebare kwija kuturebaho kandi abanyambara bona hihi bahweyo kwija kubakira no kugetinga ready kutera karuru tukakagaruza omu State House. Your Excellency, we want to thank you. Okubasa okwatanisa madini gona kandi bo abasilamu ne bakwebaza munonga okubahereza obushobozi bakatemba enyonyi bakazamaka bakagaruka. Your Excellency, amadini abari kujwareza White nabo bona bari aha buri dini yona bahwayo okwija kwakira no kuhameza ngo bari enyuma yawe. Mukama wanje esente zotereza nkasite tuzitunga tuzikozesa nk'okwe biragiro biri kandi ntwenda kukakasa ngo ntwija kugomeza mu nitukore etyo. Your Excellency, omwirwariro ryawe ryambara regional referral abarwaire bashagizemu kandi nibakushaba mbara referral ogifore mbara National Hospital ebizibu byona nibiba byatebekana. Your Excellency, nitukwebaza okwikiriza Nyakisharara kujombeka Mwichaye International Airport. Your Excellency, nitukimanya munonga nkoko kundebya mizano wikirize region zona zayombekerwa stadiums twandukushabane yambarara nayo gikirize tubase kuzaha mutindo gwihanga. Your Excellency, amatawuni gono kagatungire sente nambare katungezayo nicho kurebera korasi eriyo netwetorora. Your Excellency, ahabwa district sishatwina netukushabango oruguto rukuruga aharwa Kampala rukaraba Bwizibwera rukaraba Buhweju rukeguka Kabohe rukeguka Chikatikate Chitagata oruterere korasi yitwa abanantu batwakaliramu. Your Excellency, abantu ababasize kutuyamba kutebenkanisa omukorogu baba babashomere abashubuzi bona bateiremu amani gabo nico kimwe n'aba young entrepreneurs abirisita eitwa kuhereza bakozire cyango kandi nibahamya ngo nibeja kukwatiraho mu economy industrialization kuwa kubasa kubatungira itaka rya industry ertwa abantu tekateka ngo oruti forest reserve ojibutereze abantu batandike kombeka za factories no mushinya gw'amani. Your Excellency, ninkwendeza obugwaje turi nyuma yanyu. Movement juu, Museveni juu, Mama juu. guide you, and protect you. Thank you.
Mbarara oye! Thank you for those wonderful statements. I know you could have spoken for a little longer, but because of time, we had to cut you short. As I invite the regional vice chairman of the party to come and invite our president to speak to us, Mr. Chairman, as you make your way here, I just want us to show love. I want to ask this crowd, may anybody born between 1986 to date put up your hands? The children who are born during President Museveni's time, the majority of this crowd, you are the gains we are protecting. We need you to live in a Uganda which is harmonious, peaceful, and productive. May I invite the regional vice chairman of the party to come and invite the president to speak to us. Mr. Chairman, you are most welcome.
The party chairman, Mama, the SEC members, the Western leadership, the ministers, members of parliament, flag bearers, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not going to speak a lot because of time. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Aha, thank you for coming. Allow me to thank these groups. Kila muno abantu abatubereirewo organizinga omukolo guno. Mbarara leadership city na district mubatere omungalo. The business community, you have contributed a lot for this mobilization. Thank you so much. My lovely religious leaders, thank you so much for contributing to the mobilization. The Patriotic League of Uganda, headed by Chairman Toyota, thank you so much for really being included in this mobilization. He was moving village per village. Team Baskulu, Western, you know when I'm here, you tell me I forget you. Today I want to thank you for having contributed in the mobilization. We love our Jaja. The University Students Association, thank you so much for mobilizing. Southwestern tax operators plus border borders, thank you for the vibe. The youth leadership, I saw Kakwanzi moving around in the market and all the youth leadership. Thank you so much for making this historical mobilization. I'm going to end with global coaches. Tausi, thank you so much. My LC1 association, mwebale okuleta byona ebimulesere. Allow me invite our lovely party chairman, Timu Haburwa, to come and address his people. Thank you so much. Museveni oye! Kaguta oye! NRM oye! Vimba.
Abishemwe katwemere twachire president tukumutere engaro na mama leka tuhurira kalulu ako leka tutere engaro zindi mukumene muzitera paka bayikira ibaragambire okuborekwa obushagiki Lukundo Mbarara City Museveni oye mama tere oye choka tuwatere engaro katwatere engaro leka bazhure bazure engalo zanyu basebo n'abanyabo engugwe debo muzire witu
abambara mu ruhoro je mubara kuja bengi muti Vice Chairperson Western Secretary General abemeza abantu bona n'abanyambara mwena mama kabanza baramutse rero nanyije ngambe byanjye
abanyambara mu ruhoro je mwebare rizoba mwebare nka Secretary General wa NRM kuyagamba rizoba mbarara mwakora statement that speaks for itself. Mwebare, you have spoken to the whole of Uganda without saying anything. Thank you so much. So today I just wanted to remind you aboko abantu baitu kubarebe nambe kwinganeti bajangwite twasingire uchakwire wonkani yenda kubashaba ngwechi muchikurate muchirondere namba house to house so that we aim at 99% mbarara mwebare mukama bampero mugisha twine bwire mureke mze yabenwe agamba mukama kuneneri
hateneja n'abandi bebembezi ba NRM kubanjura okhiga kwa NRM kw'emyaka 2026 okutsya 2031 omukhigoko torekere hariho amatafari mushanju aga NRM eteranga Uganda abo bwire ahaninja gamba amatafari ana nkawe niko sikigambo imiganda konkemo bagenzi imiganda tumukimanya numanya amatafari mbona ati nunda kubamanyisa ngwite bitukugamba ebitukugira ngo mongere kuhagira NRM n'ibyakozurwe ibukiro bungi turukolaganisa ebitakabayireho ntubajya ibyakozurwe ati tafari yo kubanza NRM yateranga Uganda n'obusinge nkatahambarira n'embundu emirundi 3 nkandi ahambarira n'indwana n'embundu Mshanje na mwenda nkawandi ahanirwana n'embundu murubari kinana netano twatiri anturwana n'embundu konkati n'obusinge bwonka okuruga Karamoja okuhika Kisoro okuruga Busia okuhika Bundu Bujo ati ekiretere NRM kureto Businge nahaba politics z'obuyonjo twanga politics z'oburofa tukabahabura politics z'amadini n'enganda no kuyaba kazi bajastebe mu binuje abokuba abakugamba ebyo n'abanyanda abantu bo mu Rwanda batene kwenda kugasha nibo bari mu byedini n'enganda n'amadini abo kuba tubikiriza mwitwe ndio tubasize kugira ikibina cha NRM cy'Uganda Uganda yona kunoja mutukiriza mu Uganda n'amadini twakugize ikibina cy'Uganda Uganda yona kandi ekindi cyatubasa kugira bitongore bya Uganda yona amahe polisi prisons judiciary civil service byonebyo hamwe nibyo bireta fari iriyo kubanza eriyo Businge twarga itafari yo Businge NRM yataho itafari ya kabiri hari Uganda eriye entunguka erimwemba jibiri urubajuru kubanza n'emisingi y'ebyentasya ekibako mu rujungu economic infrastructure urubajuru kabiri n'emisingi y'ebyentura y'abantu social infrastructure mbere tukuzari umusingi ogw'ebyentasya mwabigamba enguto za korasi erikuruga Kampala itwagarikire mu kuza Kabale erikuza Isingiro Northern Bypass erikuzibanda erikuza Bushenyi zone tukazitera korasi ombwire bwa NRM ezimwe yakabale tukajigarukamo emirundi tujigakire emirundi konke zindi zikazirinsya tukazitembura nkekikagate tukagitembura eyibana tukagitembura n'enguto erikurabo munda kuriya Rushere kuza Kazo kuza Footpotro nayo tukagitembura ate nguto z'umwana mugamba eresikuza kongeramu nkenguto erikuruga Omuruti kuza Mwizi kuza Kabuyanda enguto ejo ni nkuru ntuja kunyongera mu programu hariho enguto erikuruga Umuteraniro buraba Bugamba kuza Ruho kuza Rukoni enguto ejo nayo tane ziteganisa konge nguto ekize no gukora aho naho nabuze wera nsika Nyakashaka Nyakabirizi mbona tumwampe kitekateko kishya kime ntatere homano bitekateko byanjye ecyo kugiha baharwe ekarabarwansinga ngijo kaguhanzia ngijo bwentama kaza kuizubwera tare mnongan hey so hati esumu mwini mushawazanyu ezo tuzakiteganise kesumu kikawa amaizi gariyo nugakoroho materune kishayi cyenyonyi icyanya kisharra abambara mukahirwa aba China kubagega haire nibenda bakora business na South America Brazil mbwene nkubakora bakuriya buraya ngunahare Rushuzo nibarenze mushanka 15 aho barabakuriya buraya mbere abachina bagize ngo hagufu ukuzo wabo naha nyakishara baza kwamba kisha cyamani kikwirana n'icya tebe cyombe kawo ate bindi byona na mbinaho mfairo amashanyarazi nabireba no kanya abantu mukanyire Elia kashari twetambara hati mwina abantu mtwari 17 kana mbarra site ina abantu mtwara binampaga ebe byona amashomero nagareba amarwaro nagareba garmu mfaile ebe byona hamwe nentunguka itafari ya kabiri ere muterali Uganda wakati ashiraho itoba NRM tukiriya beyi twabahabura twaje tubantu mureke kugira mbiye ntunguka mukebo ubweiga n'ubumuntu omukaye weko muntu nkeka ninga company kumukugira omjengo turabashanyarazi ibintu byatwena ubweiga n'ubwawe nko muntu kandi uboro nabo n'ubwawe nko muntu benabagambe tabanya ko abantu bahasira umuntu bagira nkazare abana bakakanya katungete n'urutoke bagira ngukaza hanguto ya chorus tinka cyuriraga abanyankuru n'abantu bakoranje hari munonga tubakukira kumagamaga ubweiga cyo nabemwe umukaye yawe mbone ngirejo nyonka gimanya kare nagiburira abantu kare imyaka yankaga nambwe naza kugura rwakitura mwaka nkaga na mushaka ngari mwana muto ngasigaza ko saha rwakitura akatari ntunguka yona atari mushomero atari nguto kuko nagenda nagurayo ubu nimfashi imfubweiga abo kuba ente tuziri kuriya chorus ziri obunyatsi tuziri kwota amashanyarazi nzendo obunyatsi nagenda nazo nagura yuko abana abagenzi banye nabatsigambara bazana nabwishye nguko ukwetoroza umwishye ari habunaka uketo ubukayito butumbikirize nyo najyana naza kuriya nindondo bugeiga atengerejo tukakishomesa abantu bagikwata benshi nambone nyira kuboreka abantu abagikwatire bano ku mahamba mujo kure kambore umwaharubo matongo
amazina ni George Matongo gutaha umurimo gwanjye ndi muri isa muteze mujya kureba nuko itandikira tatakanda gento bakuya taru bakabajana Mirisa zakanya nagura amataka nyuse nazo zankorera kwenda zafurutiza abana bihereze naturu kabanza umunyankore naje nahindura nk'umwata ngo nzungu nuko zahanyuranye nasunga
On our farm, we collect over 900 liters of milk per day, and a liter costs 800 shillings, which is approximately 21 million per month.
Ate ugo mushaija umukureba amatongo n'umunyacyaro tashomire konga kutababurire ngiri yoko bingoboro maka bagikwata bagikora barga korenda yonka batanka korenda nenshaho mbona hata iturugambira mahoro natunda ritazamate magana mwenda burizo ebe ya materia soko umurukora konka bako ina mate mengi natunda milioni 21 ukwezi umwaka milioni 150 ati mwamureba ayombekere njunungi yentura aine sora ashumisa abana mahurugu mwishikina gambo rujungu graduate ayindwira magarage kandi nabana bo uko bari abahurire kwabura kwitu konga kandi arahare na korasi iya rukuriya ngoma nikamahirwa makumushanju ukurgar korasi icyo nikikoreka kitantu tubahabura ubugeiga aho rohona kore byo bugeiga enguto n'ibya kubetara nungi munonga ko kugiye kiwakorerayo enguto yitakanira muri bizano biko mukatare mbere ngire icyo aburire obusinge entunguka konka ubugeiga umukayawo ekirukambiri n'obworo kikambiri entunguka neguma heru tekutaha munju yawe waba utatahize mu bugeiga mbere kutwagira mu gavumenti engire gyo twagire to mu gavumenti batanga kubashomesa umukaruro na mukaga twato manifesto hikina amama taka agafunzire nyabaramwe hikina hike mute mumani hikendi rotemwe bijuma hike yakasha totemo ubunyatsi bwenteze mu kiju hike yakana otemwe byo kurya ekanyimote yenkoko z'amahuri oteye kurukora tamusiramu kandi hoye nebisharira oteye byenyanja nuko twabahabwire sityo hena bengi bahurire ukabura kwitu nabona ari umuntu basangwa wakamuri nunda munonga
Nze Basangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm yaganibwa kwinge Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. There's a foot ya 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya? Twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi Kaguta bamwidukira Katonda mu ekyumulo ky'emirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu bangi abatamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5. Ai president ya idea atulungamya yakuba twana abantu mwena mwena temusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5. Abantu mujje mukola emirimu egindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda ebiri okulunda enkoko byonna yayogera. Nze nabikinga mu kyokulunda enkoko n'atandika efaamu mu 2007 n'enkoko 5. Sawa dino wendogerera ku faamu kuno tize mabega ntambwire. President yaida yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5 yasanukaine. Sawa dino tutambwire tulina enkoko mitwalo 10 tufulumya amagi etule 2,000 buli lunaku. Etule 2,000 divaamu milioni 2 buli lunaku. Omwezi diba milioni 6. Omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze 6 n'ekitundu.
Kati omukazi Mwamura Basangwa bakana ba Rwanda akarumo ka LC5 kamuko 15 akarumo apa ka LC5 chairman nkuna zayo na jantingo bantu kamuhugire akarumo kamwe mwena byakashikamu abonye mutakukora ibindi we atomo okore okulise nkoko kimwe hari bijya mushanju ati mbwena atugambira burizoba natunda trade amahuri 12 burizoba natunga milioni 20 burizoba nizo milioni 600 ukwezi nizo bilioni mushanju na milioni 200 umwaka atogo kandi je nze Karamoja
Oraya Dick Ogira. I'm a farmer in Abim district. My village here is called Arangetoi West. Arangetoi Parish, Abuk Town Council, Abim district. In Karamoja. The mango trees you are seeing here were given to me by the president through Operation Wealth Creation. I received 200 mango seedlings and I planted all, and they are all doing well. Got 880,000, and I used 800,000 for buying 10 goats, and the goats are there. They have multiplied. They are now 16. Part of the money best do that money next year in January. Then for the mangoes, you are seeing, I started harvesting last year in 2023. The first harvest, I got 6 million. That was in June. Then second harvest in September, November, not September, November, I got another 6 million. So last year, from these mangoes, I got 12 million shillings. I've been selling to the people around. Actually, Salty Fruit Factory has booked this mango. They want me to take these mangoes tomorrow, 2025, to the factory. Actually, I've been selling locally. I've been selling one at 500 shillings, two 1,000, And people are buying. These mangoes are very good. The mangoes trees you are seeing here are giving me money, a lot of money. And I want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Museveni, for coming up with the idea of Operation Wealth Creation in the country. This is money. I am not going to suffer. My children will not suffer because of this wealth. I call it wealth now. I don't harvest mango. I harvest money, not mangoes. So I want to thank the President so much. And next year, if all goes well, I expect to get 18 million first harvest. And then second harvest, I also expect to get 18 million next year, 2025. So altogether, I expect to get 36 million shillings.
Numsheja arkaramuja mahiro maganata no kuruga tariyo korasi kokanyo beiga ukumarebo nabo iki kubashaba ene ari kubashaba buri muntu wena umukaye kukozesha ubuyambe butukubohereza bingo buri makagaye abo kubitwe ntubahabura dugomboro kandi twereka uko rukurugamo kandi tukuyamba ko kuza kushijuma abantu banyize ngo niyo government yo ku Africa erukereza abantu buyambi bwabusha umakagabo kandi shonge yo ubutabetu yo mashomero bakabagigambaho government umurimo gwayo no kore guto n'amashanyarazi dera abantu bakekore byabo orashi kwara bahino utakwebasa ari atandikata nabo kitwe turenga harigezi rokore nguto n'amashanyarazi tuja tukushanga umukayawe tukweshengereza ngo ryo mboro twiyamba buryo mboro umukayawe ati mbaza kugera mu bito abambara abako abambara muri abantu b'imiringo ebiri araba district mu cyaro nabo mu town aba district nibasa kutoya ebimo areba 4 acres more you can do anywhere mbasa kuri kimara idadi Rabo mataun nabo tubainero umbazi arhaba nabisho meise umskiri njaba ubwano buja mujumurebe kora bajanyo nyine bakoreje subanja bu district leta banabo rafsia agire umujo no mushi baho bujuzi
amazina nibanyeta Kiza Joab aheza kuruga kachika ka mukuzi barasite nose muri barasite kashobana ko mu musinya yakana abazire banje babasite zo kunyongerayo nazo munsi nabura kumanya cyare ko kwekiri ko kundabe kinabire yaho naho romuranga bakugira mu President Museveni atira hamashomero go kushomesa ebyemikono na prayinga nkabandi naza munisiko yakire papura nabijuza nabigaruzayo kinabire yaho banterezimu bangira ngo nanye narabamu uza kushoma omishomero rya President Museveni ebyemikono kuko nakumanye no bandikwe buza fizi eyandemere buri ni kugifunayo kwa kinagire kushikayo nashanga byona bye byabusha kutandikira aha kitabo aha bubyamo kuhika aha kurya nashoma emyezi mukaaga nashoma carpentry and joinery hamwe na mindset emyezi mukaaga egyo kiyawire nagaruka omukaaga kinayikireyo nayebuuza ona nikushitama aha mbe nk'abantu abakuna batine mindset nakwata baga yanje naza omu tawuni naronda omurimo natandika gukora omu workshop z'abandi bakunshashura obwe ndi kusevinga kawireho bwire nkanasevingire napangisaho ekibanda ky'emitwaro 15 makanisinga yifaha naguraho orukoba naguraho square naguraho neranda ya second hand natandika kora habwo bukugo bunabenyiro mu presidential industrial hub ba customer batandika kwisha abwe mikore eze shahingambira nyina abakozi bana hano makanisingi ayifaha Your Excellency ugakonchirize nsimeho area MP witu abo twatenda yo gukora furniture zone zo kusupplyinga omu hotel yeye honorable mwezi wa Robert Rukari na etinsima turachomeseze koka okatwekura ogarukire watu ha sente omusako zitu zikwingana milioni 50 nyoweka chairman wa Mbarara City Industrial Hub sako erizoba nyino kushasha kwinji munonga abo kufegwa memba wanje omwe obakweta Mandege Revaziyo wabinaruga kora bakamwita abazigu omucumu ayi mukama omuhecumuro kirungi president ni kuraganisa sentence twatihire tukuzima tuprayinga nabarabe nabarwo muhabu bashangeza milioni 10 tubase kuba nze yongero misho nyona neka yanje shasiremu kwaja president kani mbashaba batata ba mama ba shwekuru ba anko mwena bariyaha temuva kubeyi
amazina ganje mbanyedani sima Brea Nindgambara district Nintura Koranoria Nanya kama seresi ya 4 akahawira myaka nishedri ndina chinkora unabirendiaho na urang president Museveni atandichiroho ehuru yokushomesa abana na aprayinga district yanje ni application na garayo bwanyuma yesandemwe bantera nguniwo shanjurwo ryomo mbano president Museveni akuza kushashura so nyogani mantu basa kugenda na bukintu cyone kuna bendi yabo banterese ngota katire chuwatwara na chumwe bukintu cyone kiriyo akachomeseza bushaya turisiza busha yaturyamusiza busha mukama kwereze mugisha president so twaze twashoma mezi mukaga kubabwire twargena certificate ya modular twagarkayo for graduation graduating atayire na chikuma bishemwe mazima president mukama president kunarjiraho nkabashemre baking and pastry okuteke mugati tukanshomana mindset atinayabuza nimbasa garka cyaro nyegire mindset nyine sikira yuko basa koze se mikono yanje najenda nazar munwanu wanje yamperi zibanja natandikiraho story nini bakoganiza kuchabufu nagumani korantyo bwanyuma bwira bwikake sandi ibiri narwo mabanja natandika kore byanje narwo mpakete yemwe nazo mpakete sishatu narwo mpakete sishatu nazo mukatoni so nareba nguti kubasa kwe koranye nkakatoni nayeta omosho yagumana kandira esente zagumanzikanya nateka omudara gwa chapato misho nagumani korantyo so president Museveni adire kuija omukwa kashatu kwizire kunabe ngamba yatereza miliyoni 10 nakwata nayonjera mudara gwa chapati gwakanya nakore mudara ndije shatu na rentinga mezi katano buru mudara bwa nyuma yaho nagumana istokinga nakora amandazi dadizi donuts na supplyinga ezindi sente nazireka account kujanga bani tandiko muda emdara kandi wano tandika tokushankoriya tura nakora so ugiye kubabura mezi katano najanta twara hano kurentinga twashanga twina ka center account yitu twaguraho poroti nambwana hingambara turumuntu zakombeka kandi preparing kujangu omwako kwijani twe bekare yito ibakwata Ebeneza tujironchinge muzayi tukusima mnonga kandi tukusima otatirona zasako ma districts gitu no ma cities gitu ninkora muka treasure so othiro muganda gwa million 50 mukamo akwerezo mcha kandi tuyicuriza nguntu zakuzikozesa nswera nabana bana abachirumunu bazomu habu zezo mazima mukama kwerezo mcha so kunabe ndiyoko omagobago nabe ndiyoko magobago deputy RDC wa Mbara district yajangu atandikiro project yabana baherizo president Nturuka Entebbe ezezaba China mtukosa mabiri ezezaba China so naho ntukora inshanjire hati tukoze reporoti kandi turumuntu zafuteka ona nechiruka cyo kujanga products zitu zigumene zigendo myanya yone mukama kwereza mushi
kale hati njafuteza nemwe bishani wanyuma hati mwahurra abukana nabanimbaho mbazi ugwecyaro nimbajanti ombazi guboro omcyaro nihikina omwani hikemwe ebijuma hikaya kabiri ebinyatsi byente zo kuri sente zo mukiju hikaya kashatu hikaya kane byukuriya byeka ekanyimenko kozamahuru nk'ezabasanga umwareba hariya empunu abatari basiramu ninga abanyankora bakare bakaba batari empunu kuko bagize ngo bahato bazimazireho umbishara ebyo bibyenyanja atogwo no mbazi ubwo muntu uwo mucyaro oyine hikina no garanze uwitakere hango wena basakora nebindi omukinga nabasa kuri sente zenyankore nabasa kuhinga pamba nabasa kuhinga ebishori takanda hangu ubu naona yeno mbazogwe ubu kubingo boro kongato atwino muntu wo mutawuni oteni taka uri mutawuni hato mbazugwe no ubu mbazugwa abana aba tugurukwe nditaka nugwende mikono ebyo mikono ebar kushoma namurika wabore kiba ebakora ko ena senta zabo umushomero ryabo yuko bashomeseza shode mu bagize young people are making Kola na bachironda okay mu tawuni oteni itaka ombazi gwawe ogumwe n'ogwo eby'emikono wahurira abana hati bakatunga umwuga gwabahereza obugaiga konka nuba kuba otegera eby'emikono nobasa kushubura esente zitukuhereza nokora namwe hariho omwana unashangira okukanungu kamurebe nabo ebyarokora
amazina ni banyita Ayesigwa Kenesi yo muri sero ya Kazindero Eastern Ward Nyamerama Kanungu district bero kuna beryaho mucunguzi wi president yatusinja ngo parish modo tubachi twege saba district tuwachi kwata kuba turyaho iyo twataga maunenyi twaza kuchitunga kwa yenyima itwenka abantu benyima twatatunga zo sete akaija na disitazitunga hija zatazitunga konka parish modo kija kuchungura watu ya turavocha amasimu gitu twirukira kimwe esente nzikwata bampa miliyoni konka kandi positingereho emitwale ebiri aha account yanjye then kuna bakuze bampa miliyoni yone nisha ninyuruka na ikaha na tebekanisa dibweno hati yezi sete naza kukora ki obumbe natanchaka hoteli leka nkore hoteli nungi aha kuba ebimbe ni ukora abantu batina mweno kazi ganze njulise inze umunjwe nungi mpayise nunjwe nungi then ngumize muri gukora okuja gukimpa obusingi nagonza mpora naje gukora nateka konka bwa amashimerwa mingi munonga najatika president okumpa miliyoni nantagine nkakora ki nateka ntikando ndizina eriri kumanyonka eriri hihi nesete zubatwira najeta parish modo restaurant abantu harebeka je abantu bija nkabani ngo bashiringi kashanju omutwaro natandika kugoba imitwaro eshatu necweka nko kwa hoteli teka nanka na kutizikashona emitwaro eshatu necweka emitwaro ena itanu so nakora nashemerwa narabi byantu byatanga kutambura abantu bana batanga kuja bakasoba bakanya so kunkozire nayanti mwishati ya niza koma hoteli kusha kandi undarunda magobaga namakunda runda magobaga nago gankorere ekindi kana azanti kandi onde empuno gakuba hoteli yanje ejo kujya kushagaho mbitanka mweno kango ntungeho empuno ebirashagaho ebira abantu basiga amasowani mbihereze empunezo
ati mwene mwareba omukigazogu n'omutawuni nkeimwe kurira emibazi ow'omukyaro ow'eitaka rikye hikinda n'okugaruka hansi aboka nokora bingi ow'omutawuni omubazi gwawe ogumwe n'emyoga obukugu bwa ebimwareba ati omuskiringi hub ntuza kwongeramu motor mechanics akote westa kugitayo ninda kurenga bagitabo motor mechanics ntongeramu electrician ntongeramu plumbing ebyamaizi ntuja kutamule n'ibindi skills zindi na bwanyuma ntuja kutamule bya electronics so ogombazi gwe n'obukugu obw'emyoga konka kandi newo omutawuni wotabiine ebyo nobasa noreba ogwo omwana esente kubaza muhere yasita omu restaurant nkana rebero muntu ukumasindi esente kubaza umuhere yatanga kugura ibyenyanja kubishubura kubiho kubitwaro nabo icyo ukushubura nako n'umurimo ug'umuntu wo mu town ariko basa gukora ibi byona byakubasa kugira icyo bugege cyo wakora ato urotaro nditafari ya kashatu enare muri rietera hari Uganda ubugeiga kurengwa abantu bona barwa umboro namara kugandira ubutwatandika operation creation abantu abene bakorenda bonka yonka bakabaliye abantu ndagana mnana ligana kokata kugambira abantu abakorenda yonka ni 30 aharigana 50 hati bamanya korra enda nesente uburo bugenze n'ubutuba nawe cye ubundi kufa nawe niwe uri mu 30 utakasimukira niwe ufa niwe ate nitafanya kashaterio eriyo bugeiga enare muri hari Uganda ukabura no kuyamba abantu baryo mboro itafanya kana ariko nagamba ati niye mirimo nergaye aba kuvuga mbayangwe mirimo nergo mu government ubu no buhabe government ine mirimo konke mirimo yari bike deke mbore kiri mirimo y'urukuruga katiriyo basango
Nfino ku bintu byankoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako wendogera kati tulina abakozi ebikumi bisatu betukozesa wano kufamu tuweza
atumwa mbura basangwa uri umuro wanyu wenkumi na mshanju abana Rwanda akarumuka hero sifayu binapitana kuna abahabwire yazumu nkoko yabungeka baratana kusabantu maganashatu ubugega wabasangwa bwazale mirimo y'abanyayuganda bandi icyo umuntu kukimanya mwene aba NRM mukora huru kugamba cyo ugirukiwe become a wealth and job creator rather than a job seeker mbagambira umurujungu ate ibintu imirimo y'abasango katurebe y'amakorero Frida ate yetawuni netawunisha ere nambale y'amakorero amakorero kumushanje na tano hati aho kandi amakorero agogona ngabaza ngabahereza kikarakaga ezo naguzirina cooperative union mbatere town y'amakorero ati town y'ene kozesa abantu umutwaro umwe n'200 abanya-Uganda omusuku amayireme katwele ndashuka ya Kampala ya Namamve atejo Namamve Industrial Park elemo makoro 273 ne ko sabante mtwarena n'inkumina hati so bana mabambara na horo ni mugamba ngubina akabera kali akumuriti akurusha ninja kutabu Industrial Park yes konka n'ubushako twendita Karahango nkana abagenzi burundita Karahango mbarete industrial park ngeze na Kampala na so elinita fari iliyakana emirimo abagana batafara shatu tinyine buri rugo gamba hati njaga gamba press conference na wecho abambara n'aba Uganda mwena nimbashaka kuhagira NRM aboko NRM yaborekere amatafari agetera hanje ya Uganda iri kubanza obusiri iri tene kubasa kurubusavusa ryawo iri akabiri entunguka iri akashatu obugeiga iri akana emirimo nagari agutukiza ko agunkira gambo kunda zo press conference abo katwine gwiri nabo cyo turiko bagira simahagire NRM rero tugumizemo NRM nashemerwa kandi mutabari wanje umwana wakuru agire ukhagira ikigambo cyanjye icyabana chomera shomero rwa government umugambi yanyu iri kwisha murebe ngo kitwa nkora abo nyoni ntina kuzomugehena kirkwenda kunda zo mwiguru ranga yambuza ati bebure mu harumwe bwambu bya kabi ara akikugira ngo ubona benyiniro ukanyima amezi uriya yajya ati amezi nkaga ku Mariya uriya mujya ati uboye Mariya uwaberenero ho uwaye kumuha amezi ukaganyima ukageye marahanga ati mbere ukubura kuyamba umwana w'umunakungu ashome noba uyagire kuyambara hanga nakaruka hanga ko nyoni ntina kuzo mugehena tingwa ntina kuzo mugehena ranga kwa rambuza ati abunyu taranyambiri ndoro bete shika kaburiya kuyambara yari atobo tarayambiri ubwana buri ubabiri ububunako atoranyambiri atuzumugehena munaho ningamba shaho nabo cyo bureke twena hati twari hamwe abana bashomere busha nore batari mu kuferwa ubona ushomeshe muri bati gukora esete na bushomeshe bwashashuru bwano bata buri ubushye bushomeshe bwaguzire Carrefour perfume akatagura perfume akatane sente kokatene sente na gura perfume ero mushoro noje kushanga abana bo sente zana bashomese bazigarwireho umushoro atabo kwati bine sente nibagure ibintu wahoro umwana umwe murayombeka ejo ukombeka ejo nugura sementi eno mushoro ati abari mu je binyatsi ngabo kwata inesente yagamya yabike bya sementi sementi ya shora zura nabo cyo ukutayamba banaku no bushema nabo cyo bashama hajira nare moye omugursu w'ikikofira oye Mbarara oye Ankole oye Uganda oye East Africa oye mwebale katuhereze ebendera.
Invite Dr. Tanga to present the flag bearers. Very fast, flag bearers move in front for both Mbarara City and Mbarara District.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I want the flags of the way. NRM hoye, Museveni hoye, winning hoye. Your Excellency, the first person is LOC5 Chair, Flag Bearer, Mr. Tuonjeire Kururagire, from Mbarara District. Thank you. Next, the District Woman Member of Parliament, Flag Bearer, Honorable Loida Muhabura.
Mumuhere zamani woman MP Loida agonamani ga NRM kureba mbabakazi President akabereza okuba omubwebembezi.
Thank you. Flag bearer for Kashari North, Honorable Patrick Musinguzi of Mbarara District, Kashari North.
Mumutere ngalo zamanena oye! Museveni oye!
Next is Kashari South, John Bosco Tumusime. Thank you, Kashari South. Mbarara City, Your Excellency, I present the flag bearer for the position of Mayor, Mr. Robert Kachebezi.
Ebara oye! Museveni oye! Bekatere NRM ngalo zamani!
Thank you. Thank you. Next, Your Excellency, I present the City Woman Member of Parliament, Honorable Shibaju Charity.
Charity oye! Bekatere Mama Janet ngalo zamani abakazi mwena mutere Mama Janet. Ako nakawowo ka President Museveni na Mama Janet.
Thank you. Next, I present the flag bearer for Mbarara City North, Honorable Chris Baka Shaba.
NRM oye! Baka Shaba oye! Beka tubatere ngalo zamani na President with National Chairman. Mwebale mnonga.
Next, Your Excellency, I present the flag bearer for Mbarara City South, Honorable Mwine Mpaka.
Mwine Mpaka oye! Engalo za Mwine Mpaka! Engalo za President Museveni atuleti usinje!
Your Excellency, next I present the Workers' Member of Parliament flag bearer, Honorable Rwakajara Arinaitwe.
NRM oye! Abona bebezi bitu ba NRM baza kutujwechera President aliona kwa flaga.
Next, Your Excellency, I present the Youth Member of Parliament, Western flag bearer, Honorable Tumwebaze Mwine.
Eminyato oye mwebembezi wanyu ngugwe ekyo kikakitabawoga obwebembezi bulungi bwa President Museveni debo mwana muto yazo mu parliament. Engalo za President Museveni.
Your Excellency, I now present the Division Mayor for Mbarara City North, Mr. Mugume Benon. Your Excellency, next I present the Division Mayor Flag Bearer from Mbarara City South, Mr. Jomo Mugabe. It's okay. Those, Your Excellency, are the flag bearers. I now hand over to the Secretary General for further.
The President will have a group photo with the flag bearers. Thereafter, we shall have another photo with the graduates from the skilling hubs. And we shall receive the converts. Those in charge of converts, prepare them. And the youth of Mbarara have prepared a wonderful gift for the President and Mama. They will come and present their gift. And thereafter, we shall sing the anthems in reverse order. Webale Munonga. Mbarara for speaking. I'm sure Uganda is hearing you loud and clear. On the 15th of January, let this be in the ballot. Thank you so much. And next we shall have the photo moment with the youth from the Skilling Center. And we shall receive the converts. I'll just request that I allow one leader from those joining us to come to the microphone and speak about the group in less than 1 minute, and you go and join the President for the group photo. I need a leader for the group to come here. Let the leader come and speak about the group as we conclude the photo session with the youth from the Skilling Center. The religious leaders will be the last group to take a group photo with the President. May we receive this wonderful young man joining us with a team from NUP and other political groups. Please, in 2 minutes.
NRM oye! NRM oye! President Museveni oye! Abanyambara mwena amazina ganje nibanyeta Peter Mpaka kandi mbire nyesimbire abwa MP Mbarara City North konka ahabwenjiri nungi ya NRM nyobwena batahi banje bingi turugire omburare twasharaho kugaruka omuka NRM oye NRM oye omu kitabo kya Luka esura 15 na n'omwana ekirare kuyagalukira omuka ishe yamwakira yamubagire ente mwenishaba aba NRM mutuwakire kandi mutubagire ente NRM oye hariho n'abatahi banje abayikire hariho n'abandi turi gurupu y'aba food soldiers abakwika 5-10 tuijana kadi zitu kurwa National Unity Platform tukujoininga NRM omushana NRM oye nabwe cyo nimbashaba mutere President Museveni akaruru omubwinji mukama baherezo omugisha kandi kansime na muzeyi tweyo hamwe na komanda Mulali Kalugo Samu abo kutwebemberaje mwebale munonga.
Thank you. May I invite Honorable James Kwayo to present the other converts?
Your Excellency and Mama, we have the following NRM and NUP and DP MPs who wanted to stand as MPs but have accepted to come and work with us. The first one is Jean Muyambe, MP candidate for Wampara East NUP. She is available here to present herself. The second is Kajumba Irene, woman MP Mbarara City. On behalf of NUP, she's coming to join us to work with us. Abeneto Evans, woman MP, woman MP Mbarara City FDC, she's here to join us. Asaf Mugume, MP candidate Kashari North DP, he's here to join us. Mark Itogoro Nyabihemo from